Hello, I'm cgian. This is a quick video to show how to make outline text in Canva. After starting Canva, we can go to here to choose the templates to create a design. In this tutorial, I will choose presentation. Click it. And then the presentation design page is created. Then we can add text. We can go to the toolbar, click it, to open the text tool, and then we can add the text box. Click it, and then we can type. For example, I type outline, and then I want to enlarge it. I press Alt to enlarge it. Next, I want to change the fonts. For example, I go to use Anton. Next, if you want to make this text outline, make sure that we select the text and then go to Effects, and we can choose Follow. So we got the outline of the text, and this is empty field. If we want to make it thick, we can adjust the value here. The alternative, we can use outline. So we can adjust the thickness and we can change the outline color. For example, I choose blue. And if you want to change the inside color, we can go to the toolbar. We can find text color and then we can change it. For example, I change to red, or we can change it to purple. So this is how we can make outline text in Canva. Thank you for watching this video. Hope this helped. Please subscribe this channel. More video will be shared with you. I'm cgian. See you in the next video. Bye bye.